Archbishop Fulton Sheen, a known theologian, once said, "On the cross, the last man standing was a woman. Mary was there in the many consolations of the life of Jesus. But Mary was also there even in that painful event of her life and of her sons." Nakitawa marahil si Maria kay Jesus, pero nakiisa si Maria sa hirap din na hinarap ni Jesus. A mother who never left us in suffering and in pain, in joys, but also in our hope. This is Mary as Mother of the Church. She never left us in the events of our suffering and cross, but she also never left us even when we face joys and consolations in life. Dahil alam niyang hindi rin siya iniwan ng Diyos, kaya hindi rin tayo iiwan ng ating mahal na ina. God was with her all throughout, and such is Mary. Mary's love will also be for all throughout. Nasaan man tayo, sa hirap man at saya, sa pagsisikap po natin at sa pagbangon, sa mga kinakaya po natin araw-araw, the Blessed Mother will always stay. She stands for her children. She stays for her children. Hindi tayo iniiwan ng Diyos, hindi tayo iniiwan ng ating mahal na ina.